Hey, what's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, guys. So what's going on, what's the price changes over in the Dogecoin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos, guys. Let's start the video, guys, and let's go ahead, guys. The right now price of Dogecoin in the market is about 0.209239 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Dogecoin. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes update of Dogecoin price, so the changes update of Dogecoin are also going negative, and absolutely very big decrease occurring in the Dogecoin from last 7 days. You can see that the last 7 days changes is a negative, so that means that from a long time Dogecoin price in the dump mode. Let me show you the price chart. Just look here at the price chart update, guys. If you study the price chart, so you can see here from 4th September the Dogecoin price start dumping, and still, guys, you can see the price of Dogecoin are going in the lows, guys. But only as I show you in the start of this video that in the last 1 hour the Dogecoin gradually slowly start pumping, guys. Anyways, if you study the last 1 month price changes, so negative 34% Dogecoin price is in the lows, guys. But don't worry, now it's time to hold, it's time to patience, because at the last half month possibilities that Dogecoin will continue this pump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.